Nagkahawak ka pala eh. Ito na, dali lang pare. Tututok natin sa pagmumukha mo. Ayaw natin yan.
Peng, peng, peng.
Ay, dito ako ba? Ready ba? Bawal na kapot. Ready. Okay. Magpakilala ka muna. Ano ba yan? Wait lang, Julie. Diba kakanta? Kakanta yan. Men, kaya mo yan, men. Wala lang, men. Wala lang. Dapat ang buko yun, ako.
Yeah!
Intro muna, intro. Pakilala ka muna, kuya. Okay, men. I'm the men. What's your kind of you? 5, 6, 7, 8. Tama nung yan, may nag-intro na ako. Kayo ngayon. Hindi ko marinig mo yan. Lapit ka, Joey. Hello, man. Yeah. This is my favorite song from my favorite band. And what? Tahimik. And I'd give up forever to touch you. And I know that it'll kill me somehow. You're closest to heaven that I've ever been, but I don't want to go home right now. And I'll feel something this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. And sooner or later it's over. So don't think that they understand. And everything that you can wrong. I don't know how I am. And I can't fight the things that ain't coming. On the moment truth in your life, when everything feels like a movie, yeah, you be just know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, and I don't want the world to see me. When everything needs to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. What you gotta take a Lupit!
Sit down.
Pakinggan po natin ang sermon